All right, we are here in Taylor, Texas. We are here on March 21st, 2022. This is the first big severe weather day of the season. Could be the first of 3 days of severe weather. So yeah, we're here in Taylor, here at the HEB. Actually across the street at the gas station. And yeah, we're in a moderate risk for severe weather. 15% chance of tornadoes. We're in the hatched region. It's been a while since we've had a severe weather setup this volatile here in this part of Texas in quite a long time. I don't recall when the last time we actually had a setup this looking this favorable for tornadoes and large hail, but this just might happen today. So yeah, we'll keep you updated for the rest of the video, and we'll see what happens. Might be a big day ahead of us here in a few hours. We're already having some cells that initiated near San Antonio, heading to the Austin metro right now. So they're expected to go northeast up into this area, into the moderate risk area where the SPC has hatched, put a hatch region for 15% tornado risk. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what happens.
Southern one looks really good.
So this is the base of the storm near coming out of Wimberley right now.
Actually, that one over there is our Wimberley.
Oh, the one to the left?
Yeah. This one is further north.
Oh, this is the Lakeway storm.
Yeah, Lakeway right ahead. Wimberley just to the left of it.
Gotcha.
It's going to be the one that really produces the home run hitters right now.
Tornado warning.
Well, it's like all by itself right now too.
Tornado was located over
Fort Worth?
Kingsbury, or 8 miles east of Seguin, moving northeast 40 miles per hour.
Tornado warning in Fort Worth. Also.
So there
less impressive.
Severe thunderstorm. So there's another one. This is gonna go over Guadalupe again. Here it is. Our Kingsbury one over here. Near Kingsbury again, or 7 miles southwest of Luling, moving northeast at 40. They're updating our boys.
Okay. At least we got that in case radar scope and radars kind of fail.
Oh, mine's back.
Mine's not loading yet. This is the absolute worst time for their system to crash. It crashed earlier and now it's crashing now.
Yeah. So you can see the base over there.
There we go. Finally. It's doing things.
Yeah, it's doing things. And the middle one is kind of just hanging out. And radar scope self-destructed. That's perfect.
There's a raggedy looking wall cloud or inflow
Well,
in there.
at least I've got the chat line.
There we go.
Speaking of which,
Bing, bing.
let's see. Confirmed tornado in Sun City, question, or indicated?
Dang, large tornado. Whoa, look at that.
That looks like a confirmed tornado to me.
Like near Gerald?
Yeah.
Well, they did confirm it, right?
Someone is asking if it's confirmed or radar indicated.
It looks like it's a pretty good signature of one.
So, well, it's definitely radar indicated, but if someone's actually confirmed it for sure. Still, though, that Gerald one is hitting the ground. Running.
Like there's kind of a lowering there.
Let's go get it.
So this cell's
Hand me my
coming into
camera.
play too.
The one in my lap, or?
Here,
Where
look
is it?
at this one.
Oh wait, is that it right there?
Yeah, is that our guy?
I think I see it.
It's too far away to confirm anything.
We have to get closer.
Yeah, that kind kinda looks like a tornado.
That looks like a tornado.
I think it is. I think it is.
That's crazy.
Which tornado?
Hold on a second.
Hit that one. We gotta see if we can get any closer.
It's getting rain wrapped a little bit. Wow. I'm glad I told my grandparents to take cover. It's a pretty big one. That's a pretty mean looking cone in there. Is it still on the ground?
I think it's still.
We need to report it to the National Weather Service. Pretty sizable one.
It is.
I think it's not. It doesn't look like it's fully condensated. It looked like it was for a few minutes, then it went back up a little bit. But there might still be some there might still be some debris on the ground. If it is on the ground, I wouldn't doubt that it would be.
There it is.
Oh yeah.
It's on the ground. It might be condensating to the ground again. You guys want to move up to intercept it a little closer? That's a big.
It's moving.
That's a big.
It's moving.
That's a big. On the bigger side of things.
Oh.
I mean, it's not huge, but still, I mean. Wow.
That's beautiful.
Might be starting to get a little bit of. Oh, there's other people going on. Like, look at all these people doing.
Hey guys, let's go. Let's get on it.
Yeah.
What do we do with it here again?
I guess you can just hold on
Please
to it.
buckle up.
Yeah, here, buckle up. Raven, do you want me to detach this mic here, or can we just hold on to this?
Hold on to it. In fact, it's already ready to record again. So
Okay.
you guys are in charge of recording.
All right, I got it.
Damn it. Juan, would you like to do the honors?
Of what?
Recording.
Oh, door is open somewhere.
It's my door.
Close it.
Please,
Yeah, we'll close it real quick.
if you can.
All right, you got it.
All right, we're good.
Here.
We're good. We're good.
All right, yeah, we're good.
Woo-wee. Here comes the adrenaline.
Dude, blood is pumping.
Let's not let our adrenaline get too much of the best of us, though.
We got 60 mile per hour
We need to be careful.
limit here.
Yeah, be careful.
Guys, some of you caught your first tornadoes right now.
That's me confirmed. That's my first.
That was my confirmed, too.
My first two.
It was a pretty sizable one, too, for what it
Yeah,
was.
it's probably 200 yards
All right,
wide.
so from what we missed, there is a confirmed tornado located over Round Rock. That's the one that we're looking at right now.
Yeah.
Tornado, let's see. Ham radio reported of a tornado on the ground in Round Rock. Large tornado on the ground. Let's see. Spotter is 2 miles northeast of Pflugerville.
Careful for any idiots on the road.
Looks like it's already lifted. You guys want to hang out here for a moment?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It got rain wrapped.
It lifted.
Dang.
That was a little intense.
Yeah,
That's a wave.
forming
Please.
Just please don't do damage to my grandparents.
Just please spawn and be huge on an open field.
No, unfortunately, this is pretty close to Round Rock.
I think it's already going through Round Rock. Let's keep an eye on the radar. So
Hopefully, it's past all the I-35. And
yeah.
Hopefully it's already moved.
but that
We've seen
is
that RFD
pretty
cut
large,
around already.
Wall cloud there.
Yeah.
Maybe possibly a tornado.
Possible second touchdown for this guy.
I wouldn't be surprised if it cycles.
Yeah, cycles right through.
We'll get closer to confirm anything.
Yeah. Did we report anything to the weather service?
But, people definitely saw it.
I didn't, but I mean,
They know.
a lot of other people already reported it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Tornado for Williamson.
That's crazy.
Near tornado was located over Hutto or near Taylor, moving northeast at 45.
That's where we just were not too long ago.
So we could have also stayed there too.
Yeah, we could have.
We would have been a lot closer to it though.
Oh.
No, I mean like that could have been a bad thing if we got caught off guard.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
But I wouldn't be surprised if this thing cycles and does something.
We need to get good shots of this room.
Yeah, I just hope,
Going into
I just hope my grandparents are okay.
Taylor could be a little slow.
Yeah.
We could also push there as well.
Watch out for trees. That's crazy. I was not expecting the tornado to come from that cell.
I know it came out of nowhere, and then right at our position, we could see it. It's like, hey, look over here.
That looks suspicious.
It-
Oh wait, it's a tornado.
And that was out of nowhere too. Like there wasn't a warning cone for it. There was just some report saying, "Hey, tornado, Round Rock." It's like what?
Yeah, I did not expect to hear that.
Yeah, but sure enough.
Parents are about to get hit by the storm. I don't think it's tornado warning.
I think Hill County is safe from tornadoes right now, but they're probably just getting severe thunderstorms.
After this, we have to commit to the storm.
Yeah, sure.
Deal.
It'll be too late to catch any other storm.
But there is an east option out of Tyler, which would work in our benefit.
I'm good with whatever option we can still fish
Just
for.
as long as we don't get caught in the bear's cage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't get that close.
Us.
Yeah, it does seem like something's on the ground just looking at it.
That's it. Gavin's right.
Yeah, well, I have cousins that live in Hutto, so.
Tornado warning in Bastrop, Caldwell, Fayette, and Gonzales
We'll get a
until
really
7.
good view here over the bridge.
I'm surprised that there's not like a.
confirmed tornado luling. Oh, okay.
You guys want to catch video of it with my camera?
These guys have no idea what's even going on.
Here, I'll scoop it. Golly, there's something over there. Just can't see it.
Maybe.
We're gonna close in. It's gonna cross in front of us.
It's still to our west, so we need to get moving. Are we really just going to be north of this thing?
No, well, we're south of it currently.
Are we moving north?
Yeah. It'll be crossing in front of us.
Oh, okay. So
I don't see us actually catching up to it really that well.
Well, it's okay as long as
We can still
south.
try.
So we'll try and then we'll head east. Oh, there's... Yeah, we're out of position. This isn't gonna work very well.
Dang.
Yeah, we'll see it for like maybe 10 seconds.
Sometimes 10 seconds is all you need. Also, dang it.
Guy recording, driver's recording with his phone currently in front of me.
Probably a chaser.
Don't do that.
This thing is just not focusing.
Would this be at passing in front of us right now?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, wait, it's focusing on the stupid window.
Is there any more reports of anything on the ground?
Looks pretty green wraps from here. We're on the wrong side of it. Let's head east.
Yeah.
Can someone keep doing this?
Any new updates?
Wait, 20 of what's the circle?
Where?
What's the circle?
Oh, that's where we were as well.
It's got the clear slot. To our left. Thornton.
What are we going for again?
We're going east now. We're on the south side. The RFD is right above us. Hopefully we can make this turn before we get slammed with hail and rain. I'm not optimistic though.
Here, I'll trade you.
Alright, we are now in Cameron, trying to intercept the tornado warning cell. Should be crossing the road in front of us.
We're heading towards Ben Arnold right now. And after that is Rosebud. Well, the Amarillo chat has just turned into snow now. So that comforts me.
Crazy you guys are still getting snow in this spot.
Yeah.
Somewhere like that direction.
What if we went to the top of this hill over here? Would we be too far away to see it?
I like this position for the moment, but we could relocate a little farther.
Because this part's also a little bit too hilly.
Yeah. Let me check Google Maps to make sure. Closed door. Yeah.
So if we get something, we are not going to get a clear shot on this thing. Thanks. Hi.
That was a good one. You want your brother to take it?
What's this thing right here? Is that our funnel cloud? I
Well,
can't tell from here.
That'd probably be it. Somewhere in this general area.
It's definitely a lowering. I see it.
It's caught on something. It's my backpack.
There's too many trees in the way.
Hey, can you close that door if possible?
Sure, give me a second.
So there's not as much wind noise.
If it's north or south of us. Oh shoot, Lexington is south of us. It's for the wrong. It's for the.
Carousel. I figured it was that one.
Yeah, here it is. But
Yeah.
we're up here.
I turned it up a little bit.
I figured it was a little overbearing.
I wonder if this is a chaser.
I have no idea.
Oh, here we go.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
Pretty close. It's
Yeah.
going past to our north. Yeah, like, yeah, just to the north here. Yeah.
It's heading northeast. Look, Ranger. Ranger.
I have no idea. This one is currently tornado warned, but I'm not sure if it's confirmed yet. Oh, here in a little bit, I guess.
You're good.
You're good. All right, take care.
Where even is our walkabout?
Right there. See it? So that's the RFD. Right there would be our tornado.
Yeah, that's our walkabout. Raven.
Yes.
That's our walkabout over there.
I see it. It's a little far, but I don't want to get closer to it. I don't think. Yeah, that is our walkabout.
There could be something down.
Could be.
You see that?
Yeah.
There's a lowering.
Not far.
Hey, I think I see a funnel cloud. I think I see a funnel cloud towards the north of it.
That's about this. It's really close to the ground.
I see rotation.
It's kind of wrapped up right there. One's going straight to
It's RFD.
Whatever this thing is, it's wrapped.
Yeah.
Wait, I see it. I see it.
It's like, maybe?
Saw it with my own two eyes. This camera may be too blurry to see it, but I can see it, dang it.
Not 100%. Like, maybe? Kinda there?
It's about to get
I
sunlit.
don't know if it's touchdown or not, but that's definitely some good funnel action there.
I'm not sure what I'm seeing. To be honest.
What?
I'm not sure what I'm seeing.
I saw that. I saw the funnel cloud for a moment.
For a moment I saw that too.
It was there for a good minute or two.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we follow it or what?
I don't know. trust you guys.
And I got it on video too.
I don't know if it was on the ground. It's
But it
too
was
far
definitely a
away.
funnel.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
definitely a funnel.
Okay. Cool. I guess you count it. I don't know if I saw a tornado in any of that, but yeah. Okay.
I mean, I couldn't tell if it was on the ground or not, but it was definitely a funnel. Yeah.
I saw like little appendages coming down.